Hey again, everyone. So I want to continue going through the syllabus with you to make sure everybody's very good with how we're proceeding in the online format of the course. So again, we have our quotation, the only thing constant is change, and we are staying strong through all of the changes that are coming our way. We're going to continue and have a really good rest of the semester. So I want to scroll down. We were last talked about making sure that you're taking care of yourself. Again, on this syllabus, anything that's new is highlighted. You may want to read everything again. I mean, it always is a good idea to check in and make sure that you understand the requirements and expectations in the course. Like maybe it's helpful for you to, like take a look at some of the course outcomes in the course. If you are forgetting about those, you can kind of see the things we haven't done yet. Any policies, feel free to read it again. Could be a good idea. But I've highlighted everything that's important in terms of the changes from the in-person class to the online class. So we were talking about taking care of yourself. Please do that. Please use the CCP Cares link if you need it, or email me with questions about other resources that I may be able to connect you to. Okay. The withdrawal date from the courses is April 6th. So if you feel you need to withdraw, you should do that. And I would say you'd want to still discuss your options with an advisor or counselor, and with me. So you can do that through CCP Cares. You can do that through sending an email to me and asking me questions about it. It's my hope that if you've been hanging in there in the in-person class, you're not going to need to withdraw. There's a lot that we can figure out through creativity. So if you're having a tech problem, I can find another way to help you get the content that you need. Okay. If you're having a problem where one full week you're going to need to be absent because you need to take care of a sick loved one, heaven forbid, just let me know. Okay, so there is actually a ton of flexibility that I can have. So I'm hoping that if you can just be communicative with me, I can help you to get the skills that you need to get to 101, 108. I just want to reiterate that my main goal is I have to be certifying to your next teacher that you are ready for that class. So my full goal, as it has always been, is to get you ready for 101, 108. So there are flexible ways that we can do that. Remember that you need to have at least an 80% in the course to pass the course. That's just a reminder. That's always been true, and you can see what your grades are in Canvas. I'll update them just about with the same frequency as before. I might be slightly delayed just as I'm trying to figure out my own schedule with childcare and with getting everything up and working with my other online students. So it may be on a tiny bit of a delay at the beginning, but then I should be able to click right back into being available in the ways that I have been before. Okay, let's see if there's anything else that's new. So Learning Lab and tutoring is likely going to be going all online. I would say your best bet is to reach out to me if you need help with something, really just make an appointment with me and I can help you with one-on-one help, just as always been the case. But you can, again, use my CCP online //CCP Cares if you need to get more information about when tutoring is going online, if you're already working with a tutor, how you continue to work with that tutor, when we can work on that together too. If you can't get the answers that you're looking for, I can help you to connect you to the right resources. In terms of Center on Disability, if you have extended time for assignments, that should not be a problem. I'm not putting time limits on online assignments, so you should be able to have as much time as you need to complete the assignments. But if there's any reason why you need to talk to the Center on Disability, just send me an email about that and I can connect you to Lisa in the Center on Disability and get you the answers that you need about that. Okay. All right, Starfish Connect is still a way I can communicate and refer you to different places. School closings. I enjoyed rereading the syllabus, the part that says the college does not usually close. Well, the college has closed. So luckily we're back up and running online, obviously, but please continue to check your emails for updates about as things sort of unfold nationally. There can be some changes. There's not going to be changes to the schedule. This class will continue online, so you don't have to worry about having to eventually come back in person to finish the semester. I know that summer one is going to be online as well, and we can talk about registering for summer classes, but all of the summer one classes are going to be online. And I would say don't let that hold you back from registering. Okay, you're going to get some good experience with online classes just through this class. And I'm here still to support you as you need help transitioning to being online even through the summer. So if you need help with registration or any of that kind of stuff, let me know as we continue throughout the semester. Okay, so on Canvas, here's what I would say is the thing that happens the most that can be a problem for students is that students will just look at the side of their dashboard and see what the assignments are and like click through the assignments without going through modules. So if you don't go through modules, you're not going to be able to see the videos that tell you how to do stuff. So people like to just like get it done and like guess on the quizzes and like not pay attention to the videos, and that's not good because it's not going to help you to learn anything and like get to the next level, and also your grades are going to suffer because of it. So you really do need to navigate through modules. I can see the amount of time that you've spent on Canvas on individual assignments, and then also in watching videos and things like that. I can see that individually. I'm not policing it for sure. I'm absolutely not policing it. Like if you can do a good job on an analytical essay, for example, because you know how to write an analytical essay and you actually don't need to watch the video, more power to you. That's good. And you get like 100 on it and everything is good. Fine. Like I'm not going to say, why didn't you watch that video or like, any of that. But the only thing that I may do is if I notice that you're asking me like to do every step of the way one-on-one without having watched the videos, I may just request that you watch the video first and then talk to me. Or I may say like, why don't you watch it one more time and then we'll have a conversation. So that's the worst that would happen with that. You don't have to worry about it, but I would just please try to spend that amount of time, like just like you would in regular class, watching the videos and like, contacting each other if you need advice or help from each other, contacting me when needed, but we're like putting the time in is a really good thing. Okay, plagiarism, please, online classes make it like easy to just do copy and paste. Never copy and paste anything ever for any reason, okay? Even if you're like, oh, I'm just gonna copy and paste so that I can read it and take notes on it later. Nope, don't do it. Copy it, handwrite it down. If you're gonna quote something from an online source, do not copy and paste. Under any circumstances, because then you're going to plagiarize, then you're going to get a 0 on the assignment, and it's going to mess with your ability to finish the class. So even though really crappy work is way better than plagiarized work, don't do plagiarizing, okay? All right. And then finally, you have the assignment schedule. So it's pretty easy. What you have here is the weeks and what you need to do for that week. Again, destroy your old syllabus. You don't need it anymore. So for week 9, you're going to complete the week 9 module in O98, and you're going to complete the week 9 module in O99. You have to click into both courses. Remember, O98 is writing and O99 is reading. Okay, so you need to go into both courses and complete all the assignments for both courses. I also want to reiterate, sometimes people decide that they're like just gonna do one, but you have to do both to complete the course. Okay, you'll also see that because, it's different, you don't have like what the homework is, because the homework, what you're doing is just completing the module, doing all the assignments that are listed. You'll see some highlights so that you'll know what it is that we're working on that week. So week 9, we're really working on writing the drafts of the technology essays, and then practicing 2-column notes a little more and writing summaries a little more. You'll also note that in the video about analytical essay writing, I mentioned that that people have written an essay about a place of importance. You haven't. That was an old assignment that gets mentioned there. I just wanted to say that too, so that people don't get confused about that. But anyway, you're going to be working on a draft of your technology essay. You're going to be writing 2-column notes and learning more about writing summaries. And then week 10, you're going to be completing the week 10 module. Okay, week 11, you're going to be completing the week 11 module. And you'll also see that it has the dates for the weeks, so you know exactly when the weeks are. And remember that assignments are going to be due Thursdays and Sundays, and you'll see the due date right on the assignment, just like you would see the due date for your essays, okay? We're moving from technology to the educational system. So you're going to be writing a persuasive essay about the educational system. That will be the final essay that you write. So you've got 2 more essays and then a final exam essay. We really don't have that much more time, and you guys are doing a great job so far. So I'm pretty confident about your ability to finish really nicely online. So you can see that week 13, there's also a module. That week is going to be reviewing for the final exam. And also, let's see, on week 12, you're going to be working on your library reading assignment. So do keep up with that assignment. You can continue just to write it on the handout, but I'll also repost the handout for those who need it. And then week 14 is your final exam week. So that's May 4th through 6th that you'll have to complete your final exams. And the 098 exam is going to be an essay, and it's going to be in the 98 module, and 099 is going to be like a reading where you're going to be doing a reading, annotating it, and then answering some questions about it. And on week 13 you'll practice for it, so it should be pretty straightforward. The skills that we're really working on now are summary, paraphrasing, and then just continued analytical and persuasive essay writing. So good luck with everything. There we have my notifications flying in again. Good luck with everything. Please hang in there. Please contact me by email for anything that you may need. And I'm looking forward to continuing to work with you.